Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling exercise number 6. We will make this 3D model with the help of this diagram. In minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Open your SolidWorks software. Click on New. Select the part and then OK. We will make a 3D model with the help of this diagram. You can check the link of this diagram in the description for your practice. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we draw the center rectangle on the top plane. 75 mm by 50 mm. Then, draw corner rectangle on this edge with this dimension, as shown diagram. Then extrude this sketch up to 12 mm. Next, select this back face of the 3D solid, and we draw this profile. And extrude up to 25 mm in this direction. Our 3D model should be complete. Let's start the modeling in SolidWorks. Select the top plane and click on the sketch. Select center rectangle from the sketch tab. Select origin point for the first point of the rectangle. Move cursor away. Put the 50 mm value width of the rectangle, then press enter. Put the 75 mm value length of the rectangle. Press enter. Escape the command. Next, we draw a corner rectangle on this edge 25 mm by 12 mm. Drop down the rectangle options and select the center rectangle from the sketch tab. Select the first point of the rectangle anywhere on this edge. But do not select fixed points such as midpoint and endpoints of this line or edge. Approximately I select the first point here. Move cursor in this direction. Put the value 12 mm width of the rectangle. Put the 25 mm value with the length of the rectangle. Take a Smart Dimension tool from the Sketch tab and select this vertical line and this vertical line. Place the dimension and put the value 25 mm. Click on Mark OK. Now the rectangle place in the perfect position. Now, we need to trim unwanted portion from the sketch. Select the Trim Entities tool from the Sketch tab. And make sure your option is selected as Power Trim. Just drag the mouse here and your unwanted portion will be trimmed. Just click on Mark OK and in the command. Go to the Feature tab and select Extruded Boss Base tool. And put the value 12 mm here. Then click on Mark OK. See, our 2D sketch converted into 3D solid. Next, we have to draw this profile on this back face of the solid. Rotate the object. Select this back face and click on the sketch. Rotate and set the object. Like this. Drop down the view orientation and select the front view for this object. Now our sketch plane is normal for the front view. Now we start the sketch from this point. Select the Line tool from the Sketch tab. Select this corner point for the first point of the line. Move cursor vertically straight to the upside and put the value 25 mm and press enter. Then continue to horizontally straight to the left side. Put the value 20 mm and press enter. For the next point, click anywhere on this edge. But make sure, do not select fixed points such as midpoints and endpoints of this edge. I select approximately point here. For the close this profile, select the first point of the sketch. Escape the command. Now we need to fix one more dimension here. Go to the Sketch tab and select the Smart Dimension tool. Select this corner point. Also, you can select this edge of the 3D solid. And this corner point of the sketch. Place the dimension and put the value 20 mm. And click on Mark OK. Now our sketch is done. Rotate the object slightly. Like this. Go to the Feature tab and select an Extruded Boss Base tool. Now see here, our sketch is extrude in this direction. This is the opposite direction according to our diagram. We need to switch this extrude direction. You can switch the extrude direction by select and dragging this arrow in this direction. As well as both directions as per your requirement. Also, you can switch the direction by click on this icon. We want to extrude the sketch in this direction, so we set this for this direction and put the value here 25 mm. and click on Mark OK. Our 3D model is completed. Let me choose some color for this object. Click on Edit Appearances. Pick any one color from here. I choose a yellow shade for this object. You cancel it any other colors as you like or as per your requirement. Click on Mark OK. I hope all the steps you have understood. If you do not understand any of the steps, then comment to me. As soon as possible I will answer you. If you like this video then hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next exercise tutorial. Have a nice day.